Hi, welcome to part 2 of Project Fast Fatty. Since my last update, I have done some work. I have the motor mounted, I have the ESC mounted, and I also have the servo mounted. Getting all that in there wasn't that bad of a process. The motor mount is fairly simple. It's just a piece of aluminum cut out in a, it's not an weird shape or anything, it's fairly normal. It's, I use some just aluminum like that. It's a fairly good thickness. Then I also had to put a little support under there, since it would kind of flex up and down, but with the support it's nice and solid. I also, in order to get this in there, I also had to get a 32 pitch spur gear to match my 32 pitch pinion gear. And get that in there was actually a little bit of a challenge, because I had to cut a hole in the bottom of the chassis, or in the center there, however you want to think about it. That took some doing, because this is very thick aluminum that they use on these chassis. The ESC mount is fairly simple. It's just a thin piece of sheet metal, kind of like this. Kind of got two bends, one 90 straight up, then another 90 straight back, which is probably hard to see, but I mean, it kind of just floats on top of the rear shocks there. This is a nice servo behavior. It's a high tech. It puts out 403 inch-ounces of torque, so that'll do a plenty good job at turning these wheels. Because a stock Revo uses two servos, which combined only put out 250. So I mean, I've just about doubled that. What's up next is I do have a receiver coming in the mail. I'm not sure when it is going to get here, because it is coming from China, unfortunately. Then after that, I mean, I have Dean's plugs coming as well. Those should be sometime soon. And then I just have to mount batteries. I'm probably going to put one here. Then I'm going to put another one up on this side. And I just got to get a body, and it should be ready to go. For the body, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use. I looked around. There's not really anything that really speaks to me. I was thinking about using a VW Beetle body, but I mean, we'll see what I end up going with. And that should be it. Give me a nice thumb and subscribe.